Overweight. More than half of the world's population will be overweight or obese by 2035. More than half of the world's population will be overweight or obese by 2035 without significant action, according to a new report. The World Obesity Federation's 2023 atlas predicts that 51% of the world, or more than 4 billion people, will be obese or overweight within the next 12 years. Rates of obesity are rising particularly quickly among children and in lower-income countries, the report found. Describing the data as a clear warning, Louise Bauer, president of the World Obesity Federation, said that policymakers needed to act now to prevent the situation from worsening. It is particularly worrying to see obesity rates rising fastest among children and adolescents, she said in a statement. Governments and policymakers around the world need to do all they can to avoid passing health, social and economic costs on to the younger generation. The report found that childhood obesity could more than double from 2020 levels to 208 million boys and 175 million girls by 2035. The report also found that almost all of the countries expected to see the greatest increases in obesity in the coming years are low- or middle-income countries in Asia and Africa. The cost to society is significant as a result of the health conditions linked to being overweight, the Federation said. More than $4 trillion annually by 2035, or 3% of global GDP. Answer true, T, false, F, or we don't know, ? 1. According to the World Obesity Federation, 51% of the world's population is already obese. 2. Only children's rate of obesity is rising. 3. The rich countries have more obese than the poor countries. 4. Obesity causes health problems. 5. All the governments are working to find a solution. Answer the questions in full sentences. 1. Is there a problem with obesity in your country? 2. Why do you think that so many people become overweight or obese? 3. What kind of problems does obesity cause? 4. What can the government do to prevent obesity? 5. What can the individuals do to prevent overweight? 6. Have you ever had a problem with overweight? 7. What did you do to overcome the problem?